In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hash momentum indicator in TradingView Pro. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to get this indicator showing up on your charts, so you can start using it in your analysis right away. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have your chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is loaded, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually found on the main toolbar above your chart area. Go ahead and click on Indicators. That will open up the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and add all kinds of tools to your chart. Inside that window, you'll see a search box at the top. Click inside that search box so you can start typing. This helps you quickly filter through the huge list of built-in and community indicators instead of scrolling around and trying to find things manually. Now, in the search box, start typing hash momentum indicator. Type it slowly and make sure the spelling is correct, because TradingView search is quite literal. As you type, you'll see the list below update in real time. When you see hash momentum indicator appear in the search results, take a moment to confirm it's the one you're looking for. Once you've found it, simply click on it once. TradingView will automatically add it to your active chart, and you should see a new panel or overlay appear, depending on how the indicator is designed. At this point, the hash momentum indicator is live on your chart. You can hover over its name on the chart legend to access its settings, where you can adjust colors, styles, or input values if you want to customize it further. If you're just getting started, you can leave the default settings as they are and focus on observing how it reacts to price movements. If you're using TradingView Pro or thinking about upgrading to Pro for more chart layouts, alerts, and additional indicators, check out the affiliate link in the description. Using that link supports the channel and may give you access to promotional pricing or trials, depending on what's available when you're watching this. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added the hash momentum indicator in TradingView Pro, and you're ready to start incorporating it into your trading routine.